The global artificial intelligence market was valued at 160 billion US dollars, and this is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 36% year on year. Huge investments have already been done for artificial intelligence solutions, and it is already playing a role in our day to day needs and activities. What is artificial intelligence? Simply put, artificial intelligence refers to the creation of machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even making decisions. At its core, AI mimics the way our brain works using complex algorithms and vast amounts of data to learn and improve over time. Let us understand how artificial intelligence supports smart devices.
Smart devices are electronic gadgets that connect to other devices or networks, usually via wireless protocols like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular networks, to function interactively and autonomously. Smart devices are equipped with sensors, software, and internet connectivity. Smart devices include smartphones, smartwatches, smart cameras, smart speakers, smart home appliances, and IoT devices. Smart devices can collect, process, and transmit data, allowing users to control them remotely and further enable features like automation, voice assistance, and real-time monitoring. They are designed to enhance convenience, efficiency, and connectivity in everyday life, making lives smoother and simpler than ever before.
Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves the use of algorithms and statistical models to enable machines to learn from data. Types of ML includes supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Machine learning continues to evolve, driven by advancements in algorithms, computational power, and the availability of large data sets. It plays a very important role in the development of intelligent systems that can learn from data and make informed decisions.